Hey guys, today's workout, 10 rounds for max reps of clean and jerks in a 60-second interval, followed by a 25 air squat buy-in. So 25 air squats, max reps of clean and jerks, with the remaining time shooting for anywhere from 3 to 4 reps on your first few sets and trying to maintain that throughout. After each minute interval, there will be a 2-minute rest. Write down your score, recover, try to hit each round as hard as possible. Our warm-up today, you'll need a PVC pipe and a barbell. First thing we're going to do, a general warm-up, get that blood flow going, and then we'll get into some more barbell specific type stuff. So first thing is going to be about 2 to 3 rounds, depending on what you feel you most need. Some people might need a little bit more time to warm up, get that blood flowing. It's a little chilly out here today. You might need that. Come on down to that plank position. We're gonna get 20 total mountain climbers in. So you can start off bringing those knees to your elbows, or bringing your foot to your hand and alternating. Try to keep those hips nice and low. Get a good solid warm up in. From there, we're gonna hang out on the floor. We're gonna do 10 total reps, alternating between a down dog to an up dog. If you feel a little bit more confident in your skills, you can progress this to yoga push-ups, okay? I'll demonstrate both. Down dog to up dog, hands in that push-up position. Keep that back flat. Ideally, your legs are gonna be straighter than this. And from here, you can transition to a plank position. Point those toes out behind you. Stretch out that low back some. Hang out in each position about 3 to 5 seconds. And then back up to that down dog position. Again, 3 to 5 seconds. Point those toes, sink those hips down to the ground, stretch out that low back. If you want to try a yoga push-up, it's kind of like a more challenging version of that. You're going to start off again in that down dog position, and then you can control yourself almost in a push-up to that up dog. So from here, drive through, up dog, reverse the process, back to that down dog, drive through, up dog, reverse it, down dog. So your options, one of those for about 10 reps. Next thing you're gonna do, arms out to the side, scorpions, 10 per side. So arms are nice out to the side in that T position. Bring that foot up to your hand, hang out there 2-3 seconds, and switch. Doing that 10 times per side. And after 10 per side, relax for a second. We're gonna finalize that with a static hold or 20-second bottom of the squat hold, okay? Here at the bottom of the squat hold, you can work on holding onto those feet, ankles, toes, keep that chest up. You can drive those elbows into your knees, opening up those hips a little bit more, whatever works best for you. Try to maintain this position, keeping that upright torso. Maybe drive a knee out over those toes some. Find something that's kind of stretching whatever you might need in this position. About 5 more seconds here. From there, we're going to rotate through everything one more time. So you can do this 2 or 3 rounds. Back down to that plank position. 20 total mountain climbers again. Either bringing those knees to your elbows or feet to your hands. From there, 10 down dog to up dogs, or again, yoga push-ups. One or the other for 10 more reps. Down dog, try to drive that chest to your knees, straight back, really stretch it through those shoulders. Up dog, sink those hips down to the ground. Stretch out that low back, switch back again. Should also feel this in the hamstrings in that down dog position. Back to that up dog. We're gonna do 1 or 2 more. Definitely get your 10 in. From there, one more time, laying flat on the ground, arms out to your side, getting 10 per side of scorpions in, really stretching out that low back. We're doing a lot of hinging with those cleans, so you really want to make sure that that back and posterior chain is nice and warmed up. Arms out to the side, kick that foot up to the hand again, about 2 to 3 seconds. Staying nice and fluid here, keep moving. And again, 10 per side. After that, one more time, bottom of the squat hold for about 20 more seconds. Try to keep those heels on the ground, keep that chest up, stretch out those hips, drive those knees out. Try to get your knees past your toes some, keep that heel on the ground, whatever works for you here. About 5 more seconds. Now let's take a break. Let's grab a PVC pipe or a barbell. Next thing we're going to do is progress with our barbell movements to a full clean and jerk that you'll be using for today's workout, okay? So with the PVC pipe, thumbs width distance outside of those hips, really start working on that hook grip, even with the PVC pipe. Thumbs around the bar first, fingers around those thumbs. First thing we're going to do is 7 reps of a 3-position deadlift. 3-position deadlift means that you're going to pause at 3 different spots. First spot you're going to pause is at mid-shin. Make sure those shoulders stay over that bar. Lats are pulled back and down. You're going to pause there for 2 seconds. Raise up again, right below the knee. 2 more second pause. And then mid-shin or mid-thigh, same thing. Send those hips back. Keep the weight in that mid-foot, right in the balls of your foot. Maintaining those shoulders over the bar. Stand tall. Back down. Pause for 2 seconds at mid-shin. Send those hips back. Raise that chest up. Pause below the knee. 2 more seconds. Mid-thigh. Stand tall. We're doing 7 total reps here. Engage those lats. Act as if this bar was 1,000 pounds. Mid-shin pause. Below the knee, pause. Mid-thigh, pause. Stand tall, drive those hips. Do 1 more rep here. From there, the next thing we're going to do is hang muscle clean. So from the hang position, you're going to stand tall nice and fast, pull that bar up your shirt to that front rack position. So no second knee bend here. Hang position, jump shrug, elbows high and outside, front rack, and then switch back down. This one's just working on fast turnover, getting those elbows out in front of that good front rack position. And again, maintain that hook grip this whole time. Let's do 7 reps. Really concentrate on getting those elbows high, getting that solid, fast front rack position. On that last one, maintain that front rack position. From here, we're going to do 7 push press. Dip, drive, and press. Lock it out up and overhead. And then receive that bar back down. Let's go 7 reps. One more. Let's go ahead and do that one more time. 7 3-position deadlifts, 7 hang muscle cleans, 7 push press. Right into muscle snatch. Clean, sorry. Elbows high, fast elbows through. And then 7 push press. After that, let's take a breather. Next thing we're gonna do, either with the empty bar or the PVC pipe, we're gonna do 2 rounds of hang power cleans and push jerk. So we're gonna pause at the bottom receiving position of the push jerk each time to make sure that that bar is locked out overhead. We're getting solid reps here, okay? So 5 hang power cleans followed by 5 push jerks. Hang position right above the knee. Laying in that quarter squat, standing tall. Hips go back, bar right above the knee again. Fast elbows through, keep that bar close to your body. And then push jerk. Jump, punch, and land. Land in that quarter squat, pause there for about 2 seconds. Let's do that one more time. 5 hang power cleans, followed by 5 push jerks. Push jerks again. Pause at the receiving. Head through, get a good solid lockout. And let's take a little breather. Now we're gonna add a little weight onto that empty bar, maybe like 10s or so. We're gonna do 3 practice sets of 3 cleaning jerks. These are singles, 1 clean followed by 1 jerk. We're gonna build up probably over the next 5 to 7 minutes after these warm-up sets to a weight that you wanna use for today's workout. These should be heavy, they should be singles. If you can touch and go with them, good, but you probably should have gone heavier. So from the ground, clean, right into that jerk. Bar goes down, let's do 2 more reps. Awesome. All right, guys. So spend the next about 5 to 7 minutes building up to a weight that you plan on using for today's workout. Again, those first few rounds, you should be shooting for about 3 to 4 reps and maintaining that throughout this workout.